Hey everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes and Lyle's Friday podcast. It's a really warm day here in Florida. We got a heat index of about 111, which is just lovely. But there's something outside that I wanted to show you. I talked to you a couple weeks ago about the new body kit we were putting on our Shop C6, and this is the car that we go to shows with and go to local Corvette clubs with and show them some of the things that they can do with their cars. And I wanted to share with you how this came out. You'll see here we got the front splitter on. It's called the Carbon Flash. It is not true carbon fiber, but it looks just like carbon fiber. Again, this is made by RPI Designs. You can see that front splitter sticks out nice, fits the color of the car, matches the headlights nicely. Also, we're going to be doing a curb alert camera sensor right at the front of the car. That'll be another video in a week or two. We got the rocker slats here. This nice little piece that kind of contours up into the wheel bearing, or the wheel opening. You have the spoiler. Finishes off the car nicely. I also want to show you a cool idea I had about the LED taillights from Morimoto. And we've done this on 3 customer cars already, including our own. If you think about Corvette taillights from the 70s through the early 80s, the outboard lights were red and the inboard lights were mostly white because they had the reverse lights in. Well, to pay homage to that, I decided to mix it up a little bit. Take a look at the back of our car. So I did the Morimoto reds on the outside and the Morimoto smokes on the inside. Now, of course, when they light up, they're all red, but looking at it this way, it really gives it kind of a nostalgic look and kind of a more modern look too. I know that the Nissan GTR and some of the other high-end cars use kind of this configuration. I think it's really handsome. Also, and this I don't have to sell, but it's really neat. This exhaust is actually from Greddy. It's their Evolution GT2 exhaust that is no longer made. We actually had one in stock from another car that we did, and I put that on, and this thing is just a beast going down the road. When you hit high revs, it sounds like an F1 car. It doesn't even sound like a Corvette. Really cool. So, next thing, as I said, we're going to do the sensor at the front. We're going to tint out these windows here to give the car a little bit more of a sleek appearance. And then the final thing is I'm going to be doing some anthracite gray wheels on the back, most likely C7 Z06. So the gray in the wheels will set off the gray on the carbon fiber bits and of course the darker headlights. And when that's done, I think this will be pretty much finished as far as what we're going to tack onto it. And then we'll just start playing around with the interior a little bit. I want to look at doing a custom steering wheel. Want to do some other little bits inside, but this car will pretty much be done, and then we'll be looking to probably move into a C7 and do some more stuff like that to one of those cars. But I just wanted to share that with you. Any questions about either the RPI body kit, the Morimoto headlights and taillights, anything like that, feel free to get a hold of me, and I'll happily discuss it with you, give you prices, talk about how easy or hard it is to do the job. You know where to find me, Lyle at CorvettePartsCenter.com, or call me at 800-886-5064. Stay cool. I know I won't. Have a good weekend.